all in my new video. So in this video we will see the analysis for Nifty. What kind of trades did I take today. तो इसमें मैं explain करूँगी exactly आज मैंने क्या trade लिए थे और what points did I made the entry, what were the points, main points of the loss and all those things I'll discuss in this video. So let's start the video. So first let me show you. So here somewhere around the market open today. So this is some pattern which I have drawn during the market hours. Yeah, so around 9:30 if we see somewhere around here, yes, around here the market open today. So 23,800 level. So you can watch my yesterday's video on Nifty analysis. So this was a support level, S1 support. So it took a support and opened above it. So it was pretty much clear that market is going to give a up move today. So at this point, if you see my screenshots I have posted on Twitter timeline, there you can see my accounts, what kind of positions I have taken, strikes I have taken. So you can watch that. So here somewhere I was confident that market is have taken a good support at 23,800 level. So it's going to be up today. So I tried to sell some puts because I told you as an option seller आप क्या करते हैं, आप put sell करते हैं, but अगर आप option buyer हैं आप definitely call buy करेंगे. So here I sold some puts at this point and then I was riding it properly till this point. It was very good, very much good. I would say till 10 o'clock it was pretty much things were going good, but you can see somewhere around here, this point, the market it started, Nifty started making some doji candle and it was like might be there are chances it can come down, and see it came down with a big red candle. So there was a stop loss hit for me at this position. So as I always mention, many people are there who will not keep a stop loss, they keep on trading. तो बहुत ट्रेड ऐसे ही करते रहते हैं कि कीपिंग इन माइंड कि नहीं यहाँ से अब कहाँ जाएगा मार्केट. और बट आई ऑलवेज से दैट यू शुड कीप अ स्ट्रिक्ट स्टॉप लॉस. देखिए स्टॉप लॉस ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम ह्यूज लॉसेस. लॉस तो आपका होगा डेफिनेटली, ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्केट में यू विल नॉट हैव लॉस, but it will protect you from huge loss. So it is always, I recommend that always put a stop loss as per your position sizing. मैंने कई वीडियोस भी बनाए हैं जिसमें मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि as per your position sizing आपको एक स्टॉप लॉस रखना चाहिए कि आप कितना रिस्क लेना चाहते हैं, हाउ मच रिस्क यू वांट टू टेक, कीप दैट अमाउंट ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस. So here my almost SL got hit, and after that most of the puts got exited at this point. And then you can see here again market took a support at 850 level and then it started coming up. So definitely the calls which I sold here, because after this candle, you see this one at 1050, this candle when it started making this green one 1050, right, it took a support. So I thought of selling some of the puts again because market can take a position. And then it was I would say definitely a good ride for me, because here then it gave a good ride at this point. So my SL didn't get hit, but yes, when it came down and when I sold some of the calls, it got hit. So don't go by this candle size. The main thing with nowadays with any kind of expiry is that the kind of premiums move is very erratic. You will say like premiums जो move होते हैं like 15 rupees 20 rupees premium can go up to 80 rupees, because there is a lot of I would say difference between a buyer and a seller. So that kind of thing is coming up. So at this point my SL got hit, but on the put side definitely I was making good profits. तो ये था, and here I have drawn a falling edge, you can see. So my target was जो भी कॉल्स होंगे बेसिकली आई वुड मार्क दिस एज माई रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. सो ये रेजिस्टेंस के साथ मैं कॉल्स मैंने शॉर्ट किए. सो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पर जब आया तो मेरे कुछ पुट्स जो हैं, सम ऑफ माई पुट्स गॉट एग्जिटेड. यू कैन सी माई स्क्रीन शॉट देयर एंड सी विच योर पुट्स गॉट एग्जिटेड. एंड देन अगेन इट केम स्टार्टेड, इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट इन रेंज. सो लॉस ठीक है मिनिमल था, इट वॉज अंडर कंट्रोल एंड ऑल दोस, बट मेजर लॉस फिर कब हुआ देखो, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव कम आउट इन प्रॉफिट, बट मेजर लॉस वॉज हियर अगेन व्हेन इट क्रॉस दिस रेजिस्टेंस, दिस फॉलिंग एज, दिस वन, दिस थिंग कैन यू सी हियर अराउंड 240 के अराउंड जब हुआ तो ऑलमोस्ट मेरे सारे कॉल्स तो एग्जिट हो गए, एंड द मेजर लॉस विच यू विल सी इन माई स्क्रीन शॉट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली. सो आफ्टर दिस माई कॉल्स गॉट एग्जिटेड, डेफिनेटली पुट में प्रीमियम्स बचे नहीं थे बहुत ज़्यादा, देर वर नो मोर प्रीमियम्स लेफ्ट, सो it couldn't save you much, but the loss was minimal because I have my stop loss defined at each and every point. So this is how I traded today, and the loss was around, you can see 24k in both the accounts, which is very very minimal. I would not say even it's 0.110% also, 0.010% around, yeah, it is around 0.10%, so it's very minimal compared to the profits I book. So this is how I traded today. So please do let me know in the comment section below also how much ROI, how much profit did you make today, or if you make a loss, what was the how much capital did you deploy, how much was the loss percentage. So this is all for today, and yes, I will share my analysis video for Sensex expiry for tomorrow in my 8 p.m. video today. So please stay tuned, and please do subscribe to this channel, and thank you everyone, and see you again in my new video. Thank you.